I'm going to do a story about this. This Microsoft app is where I usually get the stories from. Now look at this. First case of monkeypox recorded in the UK. That's what we're going to look at in a minute. I just want to look at this brother right here. Amuna makes plea to Corbyn. Look at this cheesy grin. You need to put some castor oil right here, have that stuff grow back. Anyway, I wonder who they're gonna blame for this one. Remember, it's never English flu. Even though it starts in the UK, spreads around the UK. The UK people sneeze on each other, spread it to more of the UK. They tell you to wash your hands because UK people forget to wash their hands. No matter what they're doing, even with toilet paper, wash your hands. Who are they going to blame this time? Chinese flu, Russian flu, Belgian flu, Spanish flu. Why is it never English flu? Why is it never American flu? Oh dear, oh dear. Racist.
Next on Raheem Reports.
Sky News reports first case of monkeypox recorded in UK. Right, so I'm assuming it came from the zoo. You naughty zookeepers. Doctors have recorded the first ever case of monkeypox in the UK, a rare disease which can be fatal. My God, this looks like, what do they call those insects crawling around? Those little, not worm. What are they? Worm lice? They look like lice, man. Doctors have recorded the first ever case of monkeypox in the UK, a rare disease which can be fatal. A Nigerian national is being treated at the Royal Free Hospital in London after being diagnosed with the rare viral infection while staying at a naval base in Cornwall. Here's the thing. Nigerian, eh? Why is that the picture of a non-Nigerian's hand? The patient, who has not been identified, is believed to have contracted the disease in Nigeria before traveling to the UK. Okay. Always somebody else. Let me not be skeptical and just read the story. Public Health England has sought to reassure Britons that monkeypox does not spread easily and most patients recover within a few weeks with no lasting effects. So nobody will be growing a tail, nobody will be demanding repatriation to a zoo anywhere near you anytime soon. It can cause severe illness in some people with symptoms including fever, headache, aching muscles, backache, swollen lymph nodes, chills, exhaustion, and an appetite for bananas. No, I'm just kidding. A rash can also develop, which usually starts on the face and spreads, forming a scab which falls off. Wow. Details, details. Gallery. Hospital rooms in 9 countries around the world reveal the global disparity in healthcare. Business Insider. That appears to be a separate story. PHE is working with the NHS to identify people on the same flight as the patient and contact them. There is no confirmation about whether the patient is a member of the military. PHE said in a statement, people without symptoms are not considered infectious, but as a precaution, those who have been in close proximity are being contacted to ensure that if they do become unwell, they can be treated quickly. Now, if they got unwell on a Friday and they get worse on Saturday, That's nothing to do with monkeypox. It's just that people like to drink in England.
Take these wrecking off me! Otherwise I'm going to sue you for a lot of money, because I need the money.
But still, it would be good to check in if you were on the same flight as Mr. Monkeypox. Dr. Michael Jacobs, Clinical Director of Infection at the Royal Free Hospital, said it is a rare disease caused by monkeypox virus and has been reported mainly in Central and West African countries. Look, you got to give a bit more information than this. All of a sudden there's this rare disease. How'd you find out about it? Where'd it come from? I'm guessing Fort Detrick military installation, where another virus that has been dormant was reactivated by military scientists.
Are the biological warfare laboratories. Here, men and women of science are doing basically the same type of work as in other government, university, and industrial laboratories. A combination of medical and public health research. While I was at Fort Detrick, I was able to follow partway through an experiment to determine the effectiveness of an agent. Volunteers are important to the testing picture. For many years, information has been needed on the effect of a biological warfare attack on man.
And then put in some Bill Gates vaccinations and given to Africans. I'm just guessing. It does not spread easily between people, and the risk of transmission to the wider public is very low. We are using strict isolation procedures in hospital to protect our staff and patients, which means as soon as they put a band-aid over it, you can go home. Dr. Nick Finn, Deputy Director of the National Infection Service at PHE, said well-established and robust infection control procedures were being followed. Yeah, band-aids don't cost that much. The World Health Organization says monkeypox occurs primarily in West and Central Africa near tropical rainforests and is mostly passed to humans from rodents and primates. So why isn't it called animal pox? Rodents are not monkeys. There was an outbreak in Nigeria in 2017 with 172 suspected and 61 confirmed cases between September and December. World Health Organization, or WHO, reported 1 death. Do you know what I think? I think whenever there are deaths in the so-called black race, they fudge the numbers and push them down. And when there's one person that dies in the white race, it's 150. That's what I believe. That's how the statistics usually go. It's prejudice against anyone outside of the demographic. They don't want white people to go off because they'll start shooting them. They don't want that. So if you have any rashes or viruses and you've been with a nasty bird, just call it monkeypox and take a week off work. Now, let's take a look at this guy's hairline. If you like these videos and you'd like to see more of this type of content on this channel, subscribe. To support the efforts financially, because these videos do take work, talent, money, and equipment, consider supporting the products for sale on my eBay store. eBay link is on your screen now and in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for joining me. Holla back.